But what if you found out all you have to do is the exact right moves in creative real estate, and retiring early isn't just a possibility, it's a reality not as hard to do as most think. In this single podcast episode, you will reveal this hidden blueprint that only those who have completed it know about it. No, I'm not saying it's a walk in the park. It does take grit, a dash of moxie, and a tested and proven playbook. Most believe and think that creative real estate is all about being creative. Not even close to being true. Not these days. Especially in today's fast growing world of technology. Today, it is more about the tools than the knowledge. It is not about thinking outside of the box anymore, Peter. It comes down to the perfect strategy and the ideal tools to do the heavy lifting work.